My name is Yash. I read in fourth class. I am 8 years old. My father name is Mr. Jasbir. My mother name is Mrs. Monica. My dear friend, my name is Yash. I am here to talk about school. I study in Ambition Public School, which has centuries old buildings. I have tall buildings which divide into the senior category and junior category. I have always loved attending school.
My name is Arya and My father's name is Mr. Ramaran Maheshwari. My mother's name is Mrs. Dayapati Maheshwari. Good evening. Hello everyone, friends. My name is Ira. I am 7 years old. I am from Wind City. I like orange color. I dislike green color. I like potato. I dislike pumpkin. Thank you. Bye-bye. My name is Garvit. I am 6 years old. My school name is Shiv Devi High School. I live in Jalandhar City. Hello everyone, my name is Garvit. I am 6 years old. I am from Jalandhar City. I like to play with Avengers. I like blue color. I like broccoli. I dislike pumpkin. Thank you.